ganda ng sahig, oh. Ang ganda. But, yeah, ang flight namin is 9:30. Pero ngayon ay 8:30 na. Pero nakalagpas naman na kami sa TSA. Since domestic flight lang naman siya, sobrang bilis lang. Talagang dumaan lang kami. Sanay naman na kami sa check-check na yan ng bag. So, wala namang nakitang problema na magdi-delay sa akin. So, yun. Ang sponsor ng trip na to.
Sugar Daddy.
All expense paid. Kasi daw, National Girlfriend's Day. Weh! So yan, magkasakay kami ng tren. I like this. Parang mas gusto ko to than Osmo. So, naiwan ko pala yung ko, guys. Naiwan ko yung Osmo Pocket ko. Lungkot na lungkot ako. Sakto, may dala siyang camera. Ito ay DJI Action 4. So, gustong-gusto ko siya.
International flight.
Yan, ito international flight. Pero dito kami, sa B. So, I hope wala na akong ibang naiwan. Ito yung dalang bag. Yung backpack ko, binili ko to sa Amazon. Tapos ito. Yun, lagi ko itong dala. Very smooth yung niya. Tapos may lagayan ng kape. Yan. Tapos may sabitan sa gilid. Tapos ito, may compartment din dito. So, yeah, ito yung suot. Very lang, chill. Calvin Klein. Sakay na tayo ng train. Cameraman ko. Hi ka sa hi ka.
Ito yung train para makapunta kayo sa gate. Are you
Suot
excited?
kong tsinelas. Always yan, naka-medyas lang.
So much to do.
Oy, nakapit. I told you, kapit. Tumawag yung cameraman. So, tinatanong ko siya, sabi ko, paano niya nabili ang Action 4? 150 sa marketplace. Parang gusto ko rin yun. I'm hungry. Vlog natin yan. Palitan ko na yung channel ko. Miko and Angel. Diba? Siguro nung nag-start ako mag-vlog na ito. Tinatanong ni Miko kung itong gate. Kasi ang pinapapasok Atlanta, tas wala masyadong tao. 30 minutes na lang flight na namin. So medyo. So kaya muna tayo?
Yeah, we're still fine. We're still
Sabi, tinanong mo yung Miami.
There you go, narinig ko. Miami have a
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are going to Miami,
There.
your flight will be directly after this flight. Again, if you're going
Okay,
to Miami, your
let's go.
flight will be directly.
52 minutes away pa yung plane namin. Delayed. So let's eat first.
Yeah, our plane is delayed. So let's find food here.
Diyan.
Let's go there.
I kinda want Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A? Alright, let's find Chick-fil-A.
So we got our food and we got food from Kava. Ayan. So we both got chicken as our meat. Is that yours or mine?
This is mine.
Oh, that's yours. That's tomato. Tapos ang ikikwento ko lang. So, di ba naiwan ko yung Osmo Pocket ko? Pero alam niyo ba, nadala ko yung... Alam mo, tingnan mo, dala ko yung accessories
No,
ng Osmo. You know, dala ko yung mga accessories ng Osmo ko. Pero so, pinakinggan lang namin yung nung flight namin. Sabi, pwede daw mag-check-in ng bag. Libre. Pero naman kami, first to board. So, I think we'll have enough space for our luggage. So, show them. Oh, that looks so good. he was looking at planes kasi meron kasi siya nung plane tracker sa phone niya. Tapos gusto niyang makita yung mga malalaking plane nasa kabilang side. So gusto niya lumipat kami doon. Tapos ngayon kumukuha siya ng tubig para may tubig kami sa mamaya. Sabi niya bibili rin siya ng snacks pero sabi ko ayoko kasi baka tumaba ako. Bago pa ako mag-Miami, tumaba pa. Diba? Lumaki ang tiyan. Mabilis lang lumaki ang tiyan natin. So, ayun. Ano ba yung tsura ko, guys? Kasi maliit lang yung neto, yung view. Kaya hindi ko talaga kita yung tsura ko. Pero tignan nyo, guys, yung phone case ko. Sobrang cute. Diba? Sobrang coquette. So, ito yung wrist niya. Cutie! I super love it. Flex ko lang, guys. So, time check is 1:25 a.m. And we have arrived in Miami. Smooth yung take off, no? Tsaka yung landing.
Yep.
Hindi siya masyadong garalgal. So, yeah, ito na yung airport. Ito siya at 1 a.m. 20 minutes away lang yung bahay nila. Napupunta pag-i-stayan namin. So, good morning, everyone. So, umaga na. I think it's around 8:30. Andito kami sa likod ng bahay no mama ni Nico. We're staying here. It's in breakfast. Pag-devotion ko yan. I wanted to try this. So, ito ang aking breakfast prepared by Miko's mom. I have a pancake and an egg. Very American. Miko has eggs, oatmeal. Oh, ubos na? Coffee. So, we're gonna eat. Ay, nawawalang cellphone. Ay, ang ganda mo. Tignan dito. Wah! Tingnan. Yan yung parents ni Miko. So, dyan kami nag-i-stay. Yeah.
May entrance ba dito?
I think so. Search ko. Wait lang. So, we're going to Vizcaya Museum. Tignan ko kung magkano. So, it's like a garden. Pero in Italian-inspired garden siya. And later, I'll show you my outfit today. Yeah. Naka-makeup din tayo. Ang puti ko naman sobra dito. Fish eye ba to?
Hindi siya fish eye. Ultra wide lang.
Yan.
Oh,
Yan yung exit. May gated ang kanilang bahay. Ang bilis lumamig. Yan, Vizcaya. Just go. Parking and entrance. Main entrance parking. So ayan, nakapag-park na kami and now we're on our way to buying a ticket. Hindi masyadong mainit so far. Kasi ang daming puno. Ganda. Actually, yung papasok pa lang, gandang-ganda na. Very mansion. So, ito yung buong mapa. Where are we? Oh, yan na. Pasok na ang bilis. Actually, wala pang 5 minuto. Tapos ang bilis lang ng pila. And also, it's a Saturday today. So, 11 a.m. supposed to be mahaba ang pila. Pero I think they just do it so fast. So, it's $25 per person. So, for us, it's $50. So, we're in and we're gonna go tour around. So, you can buy tickets online as well. Maybe para dun yun sa mga taong ayaw na pumila if there's line, but so far it's a Saturday 11 a.m. There's no line, so it was okay. You can also buy tickets here. So yeah. So ayan ang perks ng may photographer na boyfriend. Actually yung gamit kong camera ngayon sa kanya kasi naiwan ko yung akin. So nakaka-vlog tayo. Look at that detail. So this is the main entrance. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda niya. Tapos hindi siya mainit talaga ngayon. Sarado. Ito yung view niya from here. Diyan tayo naglakad kanina. So, pasok. Malamig. So, si Miko, nag-CR siya. And then, I discovered something. Ito na. Guys, ang ganda. Wow. 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 Tignan mo lang. Ang ganda. Beautiful. Huh? Uh-huh. So, nakapag-content na kami. Medyo pawis. Papasok tayo sa loob. Aircon. Wow! Ito una ko napansin. Oh, look at that. Ginagawa nila. Oh, sheesh. Oh, love. Oh.
The music room.
Music room. System 1916. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang na-appreciate. Ang ganda ng structure, details. Ganda. Pero hindi ko alam history niya. So, This is an elevator going to the basement.
Sige, baba ka pa.
Oh, wait lang, picture ako.
Baba ka.
Here?
Baba ka. O, dito, pababa tayo.
Okay.
Simpleng assignment lang.
Hello guys, so lagkit kami, pawis. But we did a lot of photos and videos. And it was a nice place, no?
Yeah.
Maganda siya. So you could definitely do a lot. Especially if you like taking pictures. Pero if you want activities, na masyado. So we're gonna look for somewhere to eat. They also have a cafe. We haven't checked it out, but we're not gonna be going there, so yeah. So actually, to-check namin ang cafe and shop nila. So since we're here already, why not? So, kita niyo ba kung gaano ako kahagard? Tingnan yung braso niya. Yung braso niya mismo pawis. Nilalap. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito. Ito yung mga shop nila. Oh, rin. Mahal, 150. So, ayun na yung shop nila? Ha? Ikaw, pala. Ako okay lang. Tubig lang ako sa kotse. Ayun na yung mga t-shirt. Okay lang ako. Yol, para tayong nasa mall ng Pilipinas. Ang ganda. Ito na yung pinakamagandang mall na nakita ko sa US. Now we gotta find food. So wala kaming nahanap na kainan sa loob ng mall kasi ang mga kainan nila ay mga parang restaurant talaga, mamahalin. So, we went with the familiar. Ito yung lagi namin kinakain. It's halal. Yan, that's what I got. Lamb. And Miko got chicken, which is usually spicy. So, ayun. Yeah, dun kung kakain kayo, kung siya ng fancy, if you have a budget, you can eat inside the mall. Pero if wala naman, pwede lang kayo lumabas ng mall. Kasi sa paligid ng mall, sa tabi, maraming kainan. Mga Burger King, mga ito, TCG. So, nag-park kami sa loob. Pero, dito kami kumain sa gusto. Yan lang. So, we're back home. At ito pala ang view ng labas ng bahay nila. You see all that trees? We don't have that in Maryland. I don't see that in Maryland or Virginia. Sobrang ganda dito. Mahangin. So, ito yung bahay nila. Sobrang ganda. Mamaya lakad kami dito. So peaceful also. Okay.
Yeah.
We are in South Beach, Miami, and it's 7 p.m. 8:06 p.m. is the sunset. So we're gonna be able to see. I'll show you all around. There's like the volleyball. Oh, puro volleyball to. Isang buong straight volleyball area. Everything okay? This is day 2 of our Miami trip, and we're going to Miami Zoo, and then later around afternoon we're gonna do the boat tour. Like we're gonna see like the Star Island, where millionaires live, like Mayweather, Shakira, there's Rihanna. Actually, Didi also lives there. Jackie Chan, Jordan, Michael Jordan.
Yeah, Michael Jordan.
Matt Damon. So, yeah, we're gonna be seeing that island specifically. Ano pa ba? And we're gonna go to another beach tonight. So, we'll see. We don't know where yet, but we'll see. Yesterday's beach had seaweeds, but it wasn't that bad. Una lang, medyo weird siya, but it's still good. We were still able to enjoy the water. So, yeah, we're gonna go get gas. Hi everyone! So we're parked na. We're here in Zoo Miami. And actually, we're seeing tents here. Show mo yung mga tent. Mga local vendors, feeling ko. Pero bibili kaming tickets. So, yeah! And we also brought water. Kasi sabi ni Nico, expensive no sa loob yung tubig. That's a fan. Ang cute. Tignan.
Souvenir.
Uy, ang tigas niya in fair.
Yeah. Look at the dinosaur. Oh, I like dinosaurs.
Ayan guys, so also, just for your info, may mga bike dito na parang pwedeng pang-4 na tao.
We should come back here with your family.
Yeah. So, we're not getting it. It's $54 for 3 hours. And if you're gonna add additional, if you're gonna extend, it's gonna be 20 per hour. And yeah, I think it's better kapag sa mga tanda na nahihirapan na lumakad ng malayo, kasi I heard this is a big place. So, we didn't get that. We're just gonna walk.
The mom is making the baby train over.
We're gonna do parrot feeding, $5 per cup. Can I see the food? Thank you.
So please remember to not feed any of the birds on the floor. We're trying to keep them off the floor so they don't get stepped on. Also, please no touching or petting the birds. They do get over your
I'm gonna move. Hello guys! So we decided to get a bike kasi nga, yung bike, $50 for 3 hours naman. And I think we plan to stay only at that time lang, 3 hours. And malaki masyado. Kung lakarin namin, baka di namin malibot hanggang dulo. Kasi merong giraffe, merong elephant, lion, pero nasa dulo. Kaya,
Sorry.
nasa dulo, kaya, monkey! You see? Oh, wait, be careful. Naglalaro siya.
Good morning, guys. Welcome. Good morning.
Thank you. So, yun. Para malibot talaga namin ng buo, nag-decide na kami mag-bike.
2:45 na.
Ha?
2:45. Sakto yun. Uwi, tapos
No,
dala tayo.
Park tayo. I wanna see that. Dito na.
Panda, 这里没有 panda. We're gonna go China with
For the Asian elephant, only the males.
Okay na. Diretso na.
Mommy!
Hindi siya naharap.
Papa, don't knock on the glass. You're gonna get out?
So, hi guys! So, we changed outfit. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina. So, after the zoo, we went home to eat adobo and rice. Hindi na kami kumain sa labas. But it was really hot kasi nga outdoor yung zoo and we were sweating so bad. So, we had to go home, change, and rest a little bit. And now, we're on our way to the boat tour that we booked. Ito yung itutour ka niya sa millionaires' houses or Star Island. Tinatawag na ganun. So, we're going there. But as of now, ito na siya. Galing siyang Wawa. And again, with the monster, probably needs energy. Pangit ko. What can you say about the zoo?
Sorry.
It was a nice experience for me. I get to feed birds, and then the very first time is feeding the giraffe. That's really an experience.
But the thing is, it's affordable.
Yeah. We didn't get to see the lion. No, we didn't get to see the lion. He was hiding. And also the hyenas. But actually, if you go to Disney and do the Animal Kingdom, it's faster. They have a safari ride. It's faster, more chill.
But it's expensive.
Yeah, but it's expensive because it's Disney. Yeah, it's more chill because you don't have to walk, you don't have to ride a bike, and it's not. I think it's just 30. Is it an hour? I don't know. I forgot. 30 minutes to an hour maybe sa Animal Kingdom. But they have giraffes, they have lions, they have hyena, they have hippos. So here sa Miami Zoo, yung hippos nila is a baby na. So yeah, but it's nice too if you want a cheaper version. Madami din namang napunta, and it looks like they're adding a lot more. There's a lot of construction. They're adding bears, I believe. So yeah, definitely visit the place because it's very nice. Ngayon lang ako outro dun sa Miami Zoo. But yeah, now we're going to the boat ride and we're hoping na it's more chill also. Kasi ang sakit na nung po ako dun sa zoo. Good thing we went back for a bike kasi I don't think I'll survive walking around that park. That was a big park. So yeah, here's the road.
Guys, welcome.
Thank you.
Right up in your picture.
Oh,
Welcome, guys.
picture. Picture daw. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Pataas na tayo. Gusto mo, dyan na lang tayo.
Wala na ata sa taas.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Mainit na ba? Meron na. Wala tayong makikita doon.
Meron.
Oh, bala.
Sige, dito.
Tara. Tara na. Tara na. Sure ka, ah?
Lo cual significa que salir de la embarcación no está permitido. Así que por favor, no vayan a nadar. If you have kids with you guys, kids are not.
What did you get?
Love, kumuha ka sando mo.
Okay lang ako. Pangit nung tela, love.
Sando?
Oo, yoko. $30. Bibili lang ako yung LA. Tatlo pa.
Okay na. Ayan lang bibili ko. Good morning! So today is our last day in Miami. And we're gonna do the community pool dito sa bahay no Mama Nico. And it's currently 7:40 a.m. Then after this, we'll go to the Cosmo Tea. Tara. Makeup. Tayong dalawa. Ang ganda oh. Ganda ng background. Hi, we're here in Frost Museum na, and we're getting tickets. So right now it's 10:15 a.m. I think. So it opens at 10 and today is a Monday. So I hope there's not much of a line in buying tickets. Kapagod! Pagod na agad ako. Damn. So we just got in. We saw this thing says Planet Frost
Machine.
Frost Planetarium. Tapos papasok na kami, biglang sabi we have to make reservation. Tapos pagtingin namin yung reservation is at 10:30. Sakto 10:22 pa lang. So nakakuha kami ng reservation. Ito siya. Ganda. It's like so cool. Ito ano to na natapakan. What is this? Okay, love. Nagutom kami. Pero onting lakad lang naman. May kainan din sila sa loob.